New 5-minute AI video generator, Rephrase.AI Studio tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to use the 5-minute AI video generator on Rephrase.AI Studio.
So to get started, first go to the Rephrase.ai website and sign up for an account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the video generator tool. Upload your script or choose from one of their templates to get started. The AI tool will analyze your input and generate a video based on the text provided. Next, you can customize the video by selecting different avatars, backgrounds, and voiceovers. Rephrase.ai Studio offers a range of options to make the video more engaging. Once you're satisfied with the video, you can preview it and then export it to your desired format. The entire process can be done in about 5 minutes thanks to the powerful AI algorithms that speed up video creation. And that's how you use the 5-minute AI video generator on Rephrase.ai Studio.